Your skin is a living fortress designed to protect you. But in the modern world, this fortress is under a relentless, multi front assault. Today's environmental threats go far beyond just the sun. While UV radiation contributes up to 80% of skin aging, it's now joined by toxic air pollution and deep penetrating blue light from our digital devices. These aggressors generate free radicals, highly unstable molecules that act like microscopic scissors. They actively chop up the collagen and elastin fibers that give your skin its strength, structure, and youthful bounce. When your skin's natural defenses are overwhelmed by this chronic oxidative stress, the fortress begins to crumble. The visible results? Premature wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and a loss of firmness. Please like our video to support our channel and read the complete guide on our website to learn how to reinforce your skin's fortress. Use the links in the description below.